Hi guys, welcome to How to Solutions YouTube channel. In today's video, I am going to show you how you can send attachment larger than 25 MB in Gmail. Before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you need to do is to open Google Drive. Okay, once you open, you simply need to click on that, or you simply need to sign into your Google Drive. And then you need to upload any file that is more than 25 MB into your Google Drive. As you can see that I uploaded a video that is 79 MB. You simply need to click on that video and click on three dots on the top right, and here you can see the option of share. Click on that option, and here you can see that anyone with the link, and click on copy link, and then you need to go back and open your Gmail and share that link with any person that you want. So this is a process by which you can send attachment larger than 25 MB in Gmail. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.